Make a GIF of yourself using Screencastify. The first thing you want to do is to open Screencastify in your Google Chrome browser. It will give you your recording options. For this project, I'm going to be using the webcam only and have my microphone turned off. I have my recording set for a 10-second delay, so it gives me time to get set up. I'm going to go ahead and click record. It is best to use a plain background for making GIFs that you're going to be removing the backdrop on. I'm going to get set and point to my book. I find that about 5 seconds is a great amount of time for a GIF. I would then stop my recording and Screencastify will open up the video. I'm going to rename this Books I Love GIF so I'm able to find it later. I can then trim down to just the portion I want to make into a GIF. Get to the portion of me smiling while pointing to the book. Using those scissors down in the trim tool within Screencastify. Need to trim just a little bit more just to get me pointing at the book. You can preview that. And I'm going to save the trim. It does take a few seconds to process those videos when you're trimming them. And here is my video that I would like to use. I'm going to go over here to my download options on the right side of Screencastify. Down at the bottom, you have Export Animated GIF. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to leave my pixel size alone because I'm going to be using it in Google Slides and know that I can resize within Google Slides. And I'm going to click Export. Down here at the bottom, it's showing us our process and how much time until we can download. I'm going to download the GIF. And here on Google Chrome, it will show down in the bottom of my bar, and I'm going to drag that onto my desktop for the ease of the next part of this process. Next, you're going to want to go to a website called Unscreen. It's unscreen.com, and it will remove video background. So I'm going to just drag my image anywhere on the screen, and it's going to work to remove the background and make it transparent and just show me as the GIF. I'm very happy with the results here. And I'm going to download this GIF I have made of myself. Now I have a second GIF without a background. I'm also going to drag that to my desktop just for the ease of the next process. Now I can go to my Meet the Teacher slideshow that I'm doing or any project that you're working on. You can even forward these onto your iPad or iPhone to use in messaging. I'm going to drag this over to my presentation. This is the one without the background. And there you have my GIF of myself in my presentation. I can click present, and this is what it will look like. In the description of the video are the links to Screencastify and Unscreen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video tutorials.